Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's POS coupons and gift voucher application. It lets you create and manage the discount coupons, vouchers, and promo codes directly in the Odoo POS. You will generate and print the personalized gift voucher from the both POS and backend with the flexible validation options. It is perfect for offering the discounts, promotions, and the customer rewards. So for the first step, I'm just going to the point of sale, and under the gift coupons, you will find one option for the all gift coupons. So here I have already created one gift coupon. So for the same, you have to enter the name, the product you want to add. After that, you can select the options while the barcode is auto generated, or you are going to add the manual. After that, if you select the auto generate, the coupon barcode will generate it automatically, and the issue date and everything will be configured over here. After that, you can also apply the coupon limit and the amount type if you want to add the. After that, you will see the two option for the taxed amount and the untaxed amount, and you can also select the coupon amount. After that, you will also select the company for the same, and you will add the description and the extra information. And here you can see in the coupon history the order we have made from this coupon. I'm just going to save it. And if you want to print this gift card, you just have to click on this print. So here you can see our gift coupon is printed successfully. After that, I'm just going to the dashboard and continue the selling. And now I'm selecting the gift product we have configured before. And after that, you just have to move to the actions, and here you will find one option for the coupon. Here we have two options. You can create the coupon or you can select the coupon. For the creation of the coupon, you just have to click on this, and you can add the name, the limit, the product, the options we seen in the backend. You also able to create the coupon from the front end. Here I'm selecting the coupon. So here you will find one validation. We have to select customer first for the same. I'm going to select the customer. So under the gift and coupons, I'm selecting the coupon barcode and paste it over here, and I'm going to apply the same. So here you can see the discount is applied for the same, and now I'm just going to make the payment. So you can see our order is completed and discount is reflected in our invoice. Now I'm just going to the orders. So in the orders, you will also see the gift product and the payment we made for the same. Now I'm selecting one product, selecting the customer, and apply the coupon. So here you will find another validation that maximum limit exceeded for the coupon. After that, I'm just going to the configuration and selecting the settings. And here you will find one configuration for the gift card expiry date. So you just have to click on this checklist to auto set the expiry date for the coupon, and here I have added the time for the 1 month. and I'm going to save it. And now I'm just going to the gift coupons and select the expiry date, and I'm adding it. So here you can see we can successfully added the expiry date for this gift coupon. If you want to make this available for the particular customer, you just have to click on this checklist and you can select the same. All, and here I'm exceeding the coupon limit and going to save it. And now I'm selecting the product and going to the actions and selecting the coupon and selecting the coupon and paste this code and going to apply it. So here you can see the validation will occur that this coupon has expired. So these are the validations we also have for the same. This is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.